Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do homework solution of -2's formula, okay? So, for -2, we learned that wherever I will not be able to do -2, I will do the formula of -2, that is -5 and +3, right? So, let us start. First one, 4. Then +1. Do I have beads for +1 here? No, right? So, my formula for +1, +5 -4. Now, -2. Do I have beads for -2 here? No. So, my formula of -2 is -5 plus 3. -5 and +3. So, my answer is 3. See, the thing is, we are learning -2's formula here. That is new. That's why I have mentioned just this formula. Rest 1, 2, 3, 4, then -1 we have learned. So that is already in our practice. So no need to mention it there. So that is already in our mind. That should be learned by you already. Something that we are learning new today, that is only mentioned. That doesn't mean that in the entire row, in the entire set of questions, only that formula will be applied. Different formulas will be applied, but this is the new formula that will be applied, right? Next, 2 plus 4. Do I have beads for 4? No. So my formula for 4 is +5 minus 1. And then -2. No beads for -2. So formula of -2, -5 plus 3. That we learned today, right? Next, though we learned it earlier only, but it's new here in this class. Next question, +2 plus 3. Do I have beads for +3? No. So my formula for +3 is +5 minus 2. Then again -2. Because it's in the question. That -2 we applied because it was in the formula. Here we have -2 in the question. So my formula of -2, -5 plus 3. My answer is 3. Next, 3, again 3. No beads for 3, so +5 minus 2. Then -2. No beads for -2, so simply -5 plus 3. My answer is 4. Next question, 5 minus 2. No beads for -2. So formula of -2, -5 plus 3. Then +1 in the question. So my answer is 4. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.